Hello, my singing buddies. Today I'm drawing Bluey sitting on her chair while singing her favorite tune. Her voice is bright like sunshine, and her smile is full of joy. Before we start, tap the like button so Bluey's song can reach every happy heart. The morning light shines gently, and Bluey sits on her comfy chair. She hums softly, her paws tapping to the rhythm. Do re mi, la la la. She sings with a sparkle in her eyes. Give this video a like if you love singing, just like Bluey. Bingo walks by and stops to listen, her ears perked up. Wow, Bluey, your singing is so pretty, she says with amazement. Bluey giggles proudly. Thanks, Bingo. I'm practicing for the big family concert. Tap like if you've ever sung in front of your family before. Dad pokes his head through the doorway, smiling wide. Who's that superstar I hear? He asks playfully. Bluey waves. It's me, Dad. I'm singing from my chair. Give a like if you think Dad should clap for Bluey too. The tune gets louder, and Bluey sways her body from side to side. She lifts one paw high like a real singer on stage. Ta-da! She sings proudly, finishing the song with a big smile. Press the like button if you love pretending to be a famous singer. Bingo grabs a toy microphone and joins in the fun. Let's sing together, Bluey, she says with excitement. The two sisters sing loudly, filling the room with laughter and joy. Tap like if you'd love to sing with Bluey and Bingo too. Mom comes in carrying some cookies, clapping happily. That was beautiful, girls, she says kindly. Bluey blushes a little, giggling as she hides her face behind her doll. Give this video a like if you've ever felt shy after someone clapped for you. Dad sits down and strums an imaginary guitar. He makes funny faces while pretending to be in a rock band. Bluey laughs so hard she almost falls off her chair. Tap like if you joined Dad's silly band too. The song ends, and everyone cheers loudly. Bluey takes a small bow, smiling from ear to ear. Thank you, everyone. That was my best performance yet, she says proudly. Give this video a happy like if you love family concerts like this. As the music fades and the room grows calm, Bluey rests her head on the chair, feeling peaceful. She whispers, "Good songs make happy hearts." Before you go, press the like button and sing your own little tune, just like Bluey.